So here's the best part about this attorney. The best part about her is that she should get a FAMAS award for Best Actress. So I'm talking to her, I'm shivering, I'm sweating bullets, literally. Outside of that courthouse, like, I don't know, like 10 minutes walk from there, there is, what is that restaurant that we were hanging out with, me and my other lawyer? So anyway, we were in there. I think it might have been Jollibee. I think we were in Jollibee because I remember she ordered spaghetti. Yeah, I think there's Jollibee there. So we were there, right? So she's eating, my lawyer's eating. It's like, Mom, you got to drink, because she knows I've been crying a lot and I was sweating a lot. So I took off my blazer because I was like really like, I was this disgruntled human being. And then I even called my husband in America, right? I was like, oh, I don't know what had just happened, right? But how could they have dismissed the case, right? I'm thinking. So then, you know, we're talking, just like, no, like she was trying to tell me a lot of many different things. I was like, attorney, can you stop it? Can you stop talking to me like a lawyer? Because you're acting like, you know, she was like yelling to me and preaching and everything. I'm like, so then I raised my voice. Tinaasan ko siya ng boses. Tumaas na boses ko sa sobrang stress. Nanginginig ako sobra. Kinakalma na nga ako ng kasama kong lawyer. Kasi awang-awa na siya. May mga tao din. So, sobrang lakas na ng boses ko. Sabi ng lawyer ko, ma'am, inom ka muna ng tubig. Kasi sobrang sumakit na talaga ulo ko. I was so dehydrated. You know, I'm sweating and you know, the tears that keeps rolling down my cheeks. Napakasakit. Sobrang sakit ng dinanas ko. Dahil sa abogado kong to. Sabi pa naman niya sa akin, nung sinabi ko na sa kanyang, so anong plano mo? Anong gagawin mo? Mag-re-appeal or something, right? Alam mo ba naman, somewhere in that conversation, ito ang sagot sa akin. Here's the best part about Attorney Moana. She had the audacity to ask me over the phone after I grilled her on why she didn't know the case got dismissed when she just lives like a mile away from the courthouse and I live all the way in America. And I found out first, and she's my lawyer. And this is what she said over the phone. Ma'am, are you terminating my services? Are you terminating my services? Oh, wow! Nakuha niyo pang sabihin yun, ah. Are you terminating my services? Ganun na lang kadali para... Oh my gosh. Are you terminating my services? Para hugas kamay na lang siya. Tapos na, so then I said, if you give me back at least half of the 1.3 million I paid you, I will terminate your services. You are fired. You suck at your job. You are the worst lawyer. The worst. I said, I will fire you if you refund me 600,000 or half of the 1.3 million is what I told her. And she said, ay hindi, may pinirmahan tayong kontrata, non-refundable. Ha! And yet, she managed to say, are you terminating my services? Why the hell would I terminate her services without winning the case? After paying her 1.3 million, in other words, I just paid somebody, Attorney Moana and the judge, 1.3 million to become my enemy. And then I said, wag kang ganyan, attorney. Isipin mo mga anak mo. Mga bata pa sila. Baka yung karma mo mapunta sa mga anak mo. Wag mong idamay mga anak ko. Don't include my children in this. What do you mean don't include my children in this? The reason I went ahead and hired you and trusted you because judge wanted you to handle the case is because I thought, okay, so she can relate to the pain of a mother who's trying very hard to provide for their young children. Because I'm a mother of 4, she's a mother of 3. She should have some kind of empathy. I'm not looking for sympathy from my lawyer. But That's not what happened. Don't include my children in this. What do you mean don't include my children in this? This is about my children. This money belongs to my children. My husband and I worked hard for my children's future, and yet she's working hard for her children by scamming me. I'm still calling for her to be disbarred along with the judge. I did not terminate her services. I still didn't, because she took 1.3 million of my money plus other money on the side that I can't give you proof because there's no receipt, there's no contract. Kasi yun ang turo nila sa akin, bayaran ko daw yung mga fiscal. Wow, ganyan ang uso sa Pilipinas. Malay ko ba kung binigay talaga yung pera sa fiscal or kung kanino man. Sa kanya lang din siguro at sa kanilang dalawa or sa kanilang dalawa ni judge. Di ho ba? Paano nangyari to? Ba't nagkaganito ang tao sa Pilipinas? Ang laki na ng binayad ko, hindi pa rin na kontento. Pati my own safety has been compromised. My safety has been compromised in a big way. Because I know that general or colonel, Berbar, was telling me that colonel is also a fraternity brother to judge. The same thing with Rimosel. They're all in this one group. The colonel himself is telling me, Ma'am, dublihin mo ang ingat mo. Mag-ingat ka, ma'am. Wow. Ganyan daw kabalasubas yung judge. Pinag-iingat ako ng doble. Doblehin ko daw. Sobra daw ako mag-ingat. Kasi pag ako pinatay, tapos na yung problema ni judge. Kaya hindi lang he's not just using his power. Judge is not just abusing his power. He's putting my life in danger and many other lives in danger. Sabi nga ng mga lawyer ko, kaya maraming mga judges at lawyers na disbarred because of these kind of activities. Why? Kung alam nyo lang gaano kadaming pulis na binabayaran ko. Like I said, total because of this scam situation that Bati is doing, I'd already spent, and I can prove them to you, in a tune of 20 million pesos. Ngayon, paano pa makakabayad si Bati sa akin kung binigay na yung bayad niya kay judge? They need to pay for this. Sabi pa nga ng mga lawyers ko, dapat yung pension ni judge, yun na lang ang ibalik sa akin. Yun na lang ibayad sa akin. At kung ano man yung meron kay Bati, but I am calling for the judge and Attorney Moana to be disbarred. They're not only corrupt, they're not only breaking the law, they are endangering my own life. Please, please, please. Siguro naman, you still believe in God.